Hello there my tutti frutti. Today I am going to tell you guys where you guys can watch BTS in the Soop. Not going to waste your time, let's start. First search dailymotion.com BTS. Then click the first link, it takes you to a web page like this. Then click on search bar on the upper side and search BTS in Soop. And ta-da, here you go. Here you can watch all BTS in the Soop episode. Like this, yay. And yeah, you can watch it in HD, it's so good. And BTS in the Soop intro is so good, oh my god. Now go and watch BTS in the Soop. And don't forget to like and subscribe, love you all.